video, I'm going to be reviewing my new QiYi M cube bag version 2. So, let's get right into it. I personally do not know why it's got the M in the name, but I guess, yeah, whatever. This bag will be really helpful for me, as I've got competitions probably coming up in the beginning of next year. And currently, how I store my cubes are just in different boxes I got laying around from the cubes I bought, which isn't really ideal, as I've got like 5 different boxes and each having only 1 or 2 cubes in them. So this will be a good addition to my collection. So yeah, overall, I think this design on the outside looks really nice. I really like the cube here. Yeah, the back, and I really like this kind of black grayish color shade. I think that looks really nice. So let's open this up. And here inside we have a shoulder strap if you wanted to carry it around. This will be very useful. And also just overall the interior. So we have many different compartments. First here we have this middle kind of bag where you'd probably just store your lubes, your cube stands, any screwdrivers, spare magnets, springs. And here we have a cube compartment which has it's got this nice material covering it, so the cubes won't just move around too much. And yeah, here we have just another space for the cubes, and there's also a strap here for the cubes, so they don't move around too much to just keep them a bit more protected. And also here on the kind of lid, you could say, you can probably put here, I'm not sure, just any other spare things, maybe some more lubes, more screwdrivers, cube stands, really anything you want. And these little things are probably just to put your lubes in, but yeah. So I'm going to get my cubes out now and see how everything fits in. Okay, I've got my cubes out now, and yeah, we'll see how many I can fit in here. I'll probably do this slot here first. We'll just move these across. Look at this. 6 by 6 fits in very nicely, easily. 5. Don't have any more space here. And I think another cube will fit. Oh, actually. Okay, we were able to get a cube in as well. And then here we just got my remaining mains. These are just my mains. So I got 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, cube, OH. And that's basically all the events I do. So that's basically most of them. Inside here we'll just put some MGC spare springs and magnets, and then just a screwdriver. Like that. I think I can put anything here, really. So yeah, this is already loads of storage. I can definitely fit maybe 3 or 4 more cubes here, which is very nice, as my collection is always growing. And yeah, actually I can probably use the strap as well. Yes. There we go. Yeah, they're actually pretty nicely locked in there. And just really nice. And then we can just close it easily, and yeah. There we go. Also the shoulder strap, we can just put it on. So got one end here. You can just do just push like that. And then the other end. Like that. And now I can put it around my shoulder if I want to. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is probably it for my review. I think this is a very, very nice bag. It's not too big, not too large. You can easily put this in a separate bag or just carry it around with the shoulder strap. It's got really, really nice material on the outside, and it's quite bulky. So definitely will keep the cubes quite protected in here, and it looks really, really nice. I absolutely love this, the look of this bag. So yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know any other ideas you'd like to, any other video ideas you'd like to see, and I'll see you all next time.